Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, we're going to go over on our 2016 Kia Sedona how you would replace this side marker light. We've replaced these two, and it's all the same process. You got to remove this whole housing, and so once you remove it and you've got it back here, you're going to need to turn this a quarter turn to the left and pull it. Oh, sorry. You got to turn this a quarter turn to the left to pull it out, and then the light bulb, this one is just a press in, wiggle and pull it out, and this is a 168 is what the light bulb is. So you can get a new one of them if it needs to be, and then line it up, press it in, and then put it back in the hole here. Once you get the all the tabs lined up, then you're going to turn it a quarter turn to the right. This one's a little bit of a pain because it's kind of tight quarters in there. You need a pair of pliers. Alright, once we got that all put back in, it took a little bit of a pair of pliers to get in there because my fingers weren't able to turn it very well. So you get that all put back in, those are all put back together. Make sure you make this electric connection back up so that everything will work properly. Then you're going to line this up with those two prongs in those holes and then press it into place. It's going to kind of snap into place. So that's in there, all tightened up. And now we've got our two size number 10 screws. Alright, those two screws tightened in place. Then we can go ahead and snap this cover back on. So line it up, drop it down from the top down, and then just press to fit and snap into place. So that's how you replace all the light bulbs that go in this housing on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.